Looking to sell your Florence house fast and without the hassle of traditional real estate methods? Look no further than Kevin Buys Houses. With over 20 years of experience, we're your trusted local cash buyer who can put cash in your hands in as little as 7 days. No matter what your situation is, foreclosure, divorce, relocation, inherited property, mortgage problems, and more, we can help. We'll take care of any repairs, paperwork, and other steps necessary to make the process as easy as possible for you. Forget about cleaning and repairing your property, finding an agent, signing a complicated contract, or worrying about buyers backing out. With Kevin Buys Houses, it's easy. Just visit our website and provide your basic information, and we'll give you a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours. We buy houses with cash, so there's no waiting for bank financing or dealing with traditional real estate methods. Plus, our goal is to make your life easier while still paying you a fast, fair, and honest price for your house. Ready to sell your Florence house today? Call us at 480-650-2709 or visit kevinbuyshouses.com to get started. We'll take care of the rest and get you the cash you need, fast.